Happy New Year 2022.
Yeah, every year King Pig does this thing where every New Year we make a video and celebrate.
Yeah, but by the way, we had time to release this on New Year, but unfortunately,
It got deleted.
yeah, because there wasn't space on the camera. But now we have space, a ton of space, so we can make this as much as entertaining as we need.
Yeah, but not too long.
Yeah, let's get started. What are you doing?
This is how we... We are proud to announce that there's 2 new characters introduced to Plush Planet, Shadow and Silver. I am Shadow, the ultimate life form. I can beat any hedgehog in a race, any day of the week.
Really?
Especially you.
I will hit you, and then when you're on the floor, I will teabag you, just like...
What if I go like...
Yeah, that guy's a weirdo, just ignore him. Easy.
I am Silver, better than Shadow. And also faster than him.
No, you're not!
Yes, I am. Shut up.
Birds, gather up!
Hi. Guys, we
Okay.
have birds. We're better than
No kidding, Blue. Well, guys, I have a plan. You want to hear it?
Yeah.
Let's launch the first attack of 2022 on the pigs. We know exactly where they're going to set camp because it's a new spot that we haven't introduced yet.
And we're about to introduce it.
This is Fitness Planet. Try and see all the different things that you can spot. There's a elliptical exercise bike. There's a massive squat rack there. There's even
A bench press.
yes, and even a tree. Not to mention the mat and the golf clubs. And a kick bag to practice kicking the pigs.
How do you practice kicking without legs? You just hit it like that.
I guess so. Just yeah, I work out.
Hey, you're not full. Good. Let's show them around.
Sure. First we have the elliptical / exercise bike.
You've seen it in videos before.
Yeah, it's just changed spots and it's with all this other stuff. It still functions the same. Chuck, can you help me move this? We're weak. What if we can move this? We are weak. For sure. Well, let's move on to the next thing.
It's right here.
Alright, so I guess that fling was mildly unnecessary, huh? Up next, the bench press. Look at how heavy this thing is. Look how many weights are on them. And then look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And these big ones weigh 5 kilos each. And also this pole weighs 10 kgs by itself.
See? Okay, can you please move? I don't want to marry. And look, it's the same on this side. It really is crazy, huh? Anyway, we'll move on. And this time, I'll just... wait, what?
We're just working out.
I'm so jelly. Terence, you thought you were big. He's big. Oh, now he's went back to Compton. So now we got all the easily handheld weights, like this one, that one, and these two. Plus, they're not that heavy right now because see all the weights going onto other things like that. And this, which I'm about to showcase now. So this, so first this area, the squat rack. You can't reach up there because
You have to use the bottom one.
yeah. So we pull on this, and then this gradually goes up. And just don't go to the top. That's way too high. Also, we got this.
If it goes to the top, you're gonna like stretch out like back there.
We're end up going outside, to be honest. Sheesh. Nice view though.
It's my tree.
Your tree?
It's my tree. I planted it.
Really? Prove it.
Well, how do I prove that I planted a tree?
That's what I'm waiting for you to do, Chuck.
How? What's beautiful outside?
What kind of tree is it?
A wooden tree with leaves on it, with green leaves on it.
Oh my god, guys, it's literally Sherlock Holmes. He can figure out the most confusing stuff. It's a tree with green leaves.
And if you go far away, it looks massive.
Oh yeah, it is massive. Just look how the leaves branch out.
If we had wings, we would be up there.
Yeah. If I was a real bird, I'd defo live there.
Yeah,
Easy.
I would leave my babies in there if I wasn't a guy.
Yeah. Pretty cool tree though.
Yeah. Let's go back inside.
Yeah, let's go. Hey birdies, we're back. So yeah, we were gone. We were checking out the new Fitness Planet. Sounds like an actual gym. I think it is an actual gym.
It's a whole gym.
No, I mean the name.
Oh.
How about we just change it to a different name? How about Fitness Terence? No.
Terence always works out there. That's how he's so strong.
Terence's Fitness
Gym.
World. Gym.
Yes.
Terence's Fitness World.
Yeah.
Really like that name, Terence. I think that's approving, even though he makes that sound literally every time he speaks. Well, now we're just sitting and wait for the old piggies to, build their base there.
I don't even think they know that we discovered it just then. They probably think we would have discovered it. They probably think it's like a secret island or something.
Stupid piggies. Anyway, let's tuck in. Of course I'm not one awake. I'm so squished. I'm not even on the bed. sheesh. That guy snores like a pig on rugs. Okay, I'm sorry, I think he's actually awake. You know what? I'm just gonna block my non-existent ears. La la la.
I'm just gonna check the time. Oh, it's 5 in the morning. Come back to sleep, Hal. And me. I was fake snoring, by the way. I was awake the whole time. Right, go
Thank
sleep.
God, he not a little pig. Early bird gets the Pringles. I'm missing out. Pringles are mine. Let's go. Ah. Finally, some Of course, Terence is already at the Pringles.
How do you have like teleportation? You're supposed to be the fast one.
Yeah, but he always gets to it. Fat, hungry bird. Nice. We set up the base. You know what they always say? Early pig gets the base. I'm afraid to inform you, Corporal. They never said that. Who cares? Who came up with this formation again? Like, it's pretty good. 2 over there. 2 over here. 2 over there. Oh wait, it was me.
Sorry guys, I'm late again.
Yeah, however you speak, which it, by the way, isn't a normal way. It's okay that you're late. Speechless at my kind words. Hey, he's laughing at me. Anyway, EB, you should probably I know a spot where you can go. That's very secretive, and no one will ever find you.
This it?
Didn't know you could read minds, EB. I think we should launch an attack now. Now that, you know, Fat Terence is done with his Pringles. Sorry. Please don't me. Okay. So, we're gonna need a scout. We'll set up camp near the front door.
I want to scout because I'm the tiniest.
Good idea, Al. Okay. Me and you. No, we'll all go. We'll sneak around and get to the front door so we can have a good attack point and viewpoint. Let's go, guys. We're going where? In the world of way you waddle. And the very next day, da da.
Guys, be quiet. They're just over there.
Okay. Terence, you coming? Okay, just a quick, quiet message to the Plush Planet viewers out there. Once you go into my eye, you will see what I, Hal, am seeing. So, yeah, go on. Okay, I think it worked. Spot on. Okay. I need to jump up to this cupboard somehow. Super jump. Birds. Okay. We need a big harder behind him. There's Foreman on the bench press, and he's on their side. They probably expect us to attack from over there. Okay. Then we got. Who else? Rogue should be somewhere over here. I think he's hiding. He's taking a break. Okay, let's see. Another big one. This really helps. Okay, big is over there. Still no sign of Rogue.
Rogue is right in front of King Pig. He's in the black.
Oh yeah, there he is. Probably fell down. I don't know what he's doing.
Yeah, but I have no idea what EB is. No.
Okay. I'm gonna report back to the birds. First, you have to go out of the eye. Need to get into a round surface. I'll take out the 2 piggies that are on the exercise bike. What?
You said you need to report back to the beds.
Oh, damn. Almost forgot. Right, birdies, listen. Yep. Alright. There's 2 piggies on the exercise bike. 2 on the bench press. Rogue is out of position right now. King Pig is on that. Good to know. We'll launch a stealthy approach. How? We should go first. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I almost forgot to, report to you guys. Take out the one behind first. I think that sounds good. Yes. Corporal. He will see Corporal's dead body, but Corporal probably won't see his dead body and see it from the turnaround.
Turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Okay, I'll find a good place to hide. Behind the curtain should do the trick. Tap a couple. Oh, that's a strong guy. Bash, 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 bash. I wonder why we can never recruit that guy to help us. Han. It was Han the entire time. Sheesh. Okay. I'll fix him now. Better cry. Birds! Birds! Piggies, I challenge you to an all-out war. Happy 2022?
Wait,
Let's do this.
You know how you just saw me?
Yeah.
I just got a new human robot.
That's so sick. But we need to fight now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so heavy. It's like Terence. Yeah! squeezing. Just need to make sure it's knocked out. Okay, I can get one more. No! Shark! Foreman, I know you did this. I'm gonna destroy you. Not only me. Oh. Okay. Guess I can find something else. Good enough for King. I'm coming for you, King. Yeah! Drop the nuclear bomb. I'm nuclear now! My head hurts, but thanks for saving me, Terence. Let's go fight Rogue. Rogue, you're gonna get beat. Come on, where'd he go? Easy victory. King, I got the final Terence. Do that to the king. Birds. Finish them all off. This is gonna be so exciting. 3, 2, 1. What happens next will be revealed in the next episode of Dragon